Hello friends, in this video, I will show how can we update Zoom application on our PC, so let's start. At first, we need to open our Zoom application. Now, click on Available Options. Go to Help, and click Zoom Workplace Options for checking your Zoom application running version. This is my Zoom application running version, and now I will check Update version. Now, click on Available Options. Click Check for Update. Here, we can see our current Zoom application version and available version. Updated version is downloading automatically before installation. Please wait a few seconds. Downloading complete, click Install. Please wait a few seconds for automatically install. After complete installation, it's open automatically. Updated version of Zoom application is installed. Now I will check my Zoom version as previous. Here we can see the latest version of Zoom application. And if we go to check for update, then we can see you are up to date. Friends, please subscribe to Tech and ICT Solutions, and press the bell button for new and updated technology-related video tutorials. Thanks for watching this video, and stay with us.